Ekibine kya Leo Club of Kibasi Ntungamo kitongozibwa izuba rya nyuma baziha Kibasi High School muri Ntungamo kandi baza kwetorora amashomero gonna.
Your time, my time, roar on mighty Leos, hearts of the lands, king of the pride.
Bari kutongoza ekibina kya Leo Club of Kibasi High School aba Lions Club of Ntungamo nibagira ngo nibenda kwegesa eminyeto okuhwera batari kwebasa.
You may not need to do a lot of things that involve money, but there is a lot you can do here. An act of keeping the school compound clean, an act of reporting any bad activity taking place in the school is good enough to make you a responsible you.
We started with cleaning the town, from our town. We participated in the athletic walk, and we planted the trees. I remember, let us not forget, we left there some trees, but the big people were here.
Omukoro gwo gutangire no kutambara kumanyisa abantu kwerinda oburwire bwa shukari kandi bagireho no kuyonja hamwe no kubyara emiti okwenda kurinda ebyobuhangwa.
We want Leos who are ready to consult the Almighty God in whatever they intend to do. God first in everything.
Because they help you in forming your future leadership. Leadership, experience, opportunity.
Before there is one we are looking at desire. Have hunger to succeed. Be determined to do the same. Have discipline and also have you be dedicated to doing that.
Omugani makuru Xavier Keresensi Muhumuza ahireyo kompyuta 13 hishomero rya Rwanzu SS ezokuyamba mu kushoma kwabo kandi batangire n'ekitambo kya misa ekyebembirwe bwana mukuru wa Rwanda Father Emmanuel Safari.
Dusabe Yezu Kristu adufateho. Manya icyamuzanye muri Luka aratubwira akanyiri kakane nukugira ngo tugire ubugingo atuvane mu njege mu impingo zo dufite n'ubukene.
Ogwashabira abaziro kurebera hari no government rabenerebera amashomero ngo kandi n'umwuga gw'abazire okurebera abana.
Icyo ndi kubabwira ngo babyeyi n'abana n'abigisha turebe kure. Bamwe government iri kudukorera iki? Urebye isente zigenda ku mishara n'izindi bongera ku mashuri. Obaye ababyeyi twongeragaho ikindi gice.
Ashabira abantu kunda kushoma hamwe no kugira imico mirungi.
Kibi kimeze gityo ngo kije kubyara umucunguzi. Imana irabakunda. Nibuka nshuti twese abenshi tuva mu mago y'iciye bugufi. Nanjye ndabizi natambuyeho kane.
Mzee Xavier Nuwaresire kompyutezi okwenda kutungura ubwegese bw'abana.
Iyi miliyoni n'iyi mitwaro 20 ndi kubireba hano ku Simo Muhumuza amaze kuzohereza.
Richard Iragaba head teacher wa Rwanzu na Sima Mzee Xavier ahubwo kubaha kompyuta konkana agira ngo ishomero turyine amashanyarazi.
Tuzane computers 11 na laptops 2 ubwo zose ni 13 turanezerewe cyane. Abana bari bamaze iminsi kuva St. Peters Rwanzu yabaho itarakora neza mu bya computers n'ibiki ariko uyu munsi ishomero katanke myaka 30 hingwire bitahabwe mbera mbi na hatarkatunga gasiniya ya katano ne ya mukaga
amakuru agagasha kwa Abdukarim Sengendo na Kate Atuzarire.